Lately I've been in my zone, ride around getting blown. Now they blowing up my phone, got me pulling up a Patron. Lately I've been in my zone, ride around getting blown. Now they blowing up my phone, got me pulling up a Patron. Really came from the bottom, man, when I say bottom, yeah, really I was stuck in the basement. I got no brakes, but a nigga still grind, hit the gas, now it's back to the basics. And a smile on the face when the nigga walked in, goddamn, you would think she had a facelift. Man, I really can't lose, cut purple as a bruise, still with the same niggas that I came with. Hanging out the window screaming fuck it, stripper pole, drop $1 down in the bucket. She don't even smoke, but she say it smell lovely, clumsy. I just dropped the deuce in my bubbly, stuffing it come full of medical. I hit your block, turn your ass to a vegetable. Focus on moving that decimal, talking about options, but I got several. Didn't fall asleep till the morning, got my dog in the backseat just yawning. Grinding his teeth, yeah, he's on it. Lost, hit the lights, then he know I'm stepping on it. KK hit the rays, moving like Sonic. Caught from the trigger, wanna put you in the coffin. House around the corner, got him pissed cause I'm popping. Never slowing down, I'm in love with the profit. Hundreds and fifties, I run up a check. My bitch so bad, it should be in the rest. Sick of the money, I never say that. Broke the bitch heart, now she stalking my snap. Tired of drowning, I stay getting wet. Keep the 4-5 on the right, not the left. Now I can't stand the rain like Missy Elliott. Picked up the gun and I ain't feeling better yet. Words are like nicotine, hit you like cigarettes. You are my nicotine, need me a cigarette. You met me when I was innocent, now we both strangers. Fuck all the favor, I put you down as my enemy. Tired of talking, it wastes too much energy. I got a heart but don't know what my feelings be. Yeah, I don't know what my feelings be.